This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. Charming 2-bedroom/2-bath home located on 1.12 acres of tranquility. The home features a freshly painted interior and new carpeting. The open concept floor plan is bright and cheerful. The living room is spacious and painted in a neutral palette. The eat-in kitchen features ceramic tile flooring and ivory cabinetry. The master bedroom measures 14 by 9, offering a private ensuite bath with new vanity and a tile shower. Other amenities include a screened-in Lanai, cement patio, one-car carport and a private gated entrance. This picturesque parcel is fully fenced in and surrounded by mature trees for privacy. For more information, review the details below or contact Eileen Bellinger at 86